Hello friends, welcome to my channel Creatively Made in Home. This is Sheetal Pathak here, and in today's video we are gonna see how to make any plastic container into a beautiful box with decoupage technique. And today's video is gonna be jam-packed with tips and tricks about decoupage. Even if you are a beginner, you can easily use these techniques and make your project successful. So let's get started. First of all, take any plastic container which is little strong. Here I am using ice cream container. Then with the help of sponge dabber, we'll apply white gesso on this. Similarly, you apply the gesso on its lid. Generally, gesso dries very quickly, but make sure that it's properly dried, and then let's start working on our decoupage. For decoupage, it's better to use decoupage paper or the napkin. You can get it in art and craft store or stationery store, or you can order it online. I'll put links to all the materials that I'm using in this video in the description box below, so you can check that out. Now keep the decoupage paper on the container lid and mark the outline with the help of pencil. Then with your hand tear the decoupage paper randomly. Don't use the scissors as we want uneven random cut edges for the decoupage, so cut it with hand. Generally this decoupage paper is made of 3 layers. And we want to use only the topmost layer where the design is printed for our decoupage. So gently separate the topmost thin layer from other 2 layers. To paste the decoupage paper, we generally use Mod Podge glue. This also is very easily available in any art and craft supply store. So first, with the help of flat brush, apply the Mod Podge glue on the container lid. Now this is a very important step and should be done very carefully, as lot of beginners face the issue of getting wrinkles on the decoupage paper. To avoid the wrinkles, take fan brush. It should be dried. Keep your decoupage paper gently in one corner, and with the help of fan brush, slowly paste the decoupage paper on the lid. If you directly place the decoupage paper on the lid, you will get wrinkles. So very gently stick it on the lid with the help of fan brush. Now let us keep this lid aside so that the decoupage paper is nicely dried and stick to the lid. In the meantime, we'll prepare our container. For that, I am taking acrylic white and brown color, and with the help of small sponge dabber, I'll apply it on the container. Now I have finished applying the brown color on container. Let us keep this aside to dry, and let us start working again on our lid. The main tip or the trick you can say about decoupage, or the most important element of decoupage, is the colors that you use to surround the main picture. Now whenever you are doing decoupage, you have to observe the picture that you have pasted and the colors in it. So similar shades, similar tones you have to use to fill the surrounding white space, and that is what will make or break your decoupage project. For example, in this picture what I have used, the main colors in this picture are this yellowish green, blue, brown and little bit of red. So I am gonna use similar tones of the colors, and I am fill the surrounding white space. Here I am gonna use the chalk colors, but you can use acrylic or any other colors. First, I'll cover the ground. As you can see, I've started coloring with green mixed with little bit of yellow. Now I have taken light blue color and doing the sky area. Then this side little bit of pink red is there, so I am mixing that and finishing this side. Then you have to blend the colors so that they don't look patchy. And look at this guys, I have just finished with some basic coloring and it's already started looking so beautiful. Okay friends, now it's time to do detailing. To do detailing, we have to remember one thing, that detailing adds 3D effect to the painting and it gives life to the painting. So it's very important to select the main element of the paint and highlight on them. For example, in this painting, you can see that left side pink, red pink burger is there, right side croissant is there. Behind there is Eiffel Tower which has little bit of brown color, and the main element is this coffee mug which has heart in the center. So I will highlight these all elements. And look at this guys, our painting has got life in it now. Now we'll do finishing. So I've taken a brown color and I'm coloring the side of the lid. This is a permanent gold marker with which I'll color the top white portion. And look at this friends, it's looking so beautiful. Now let us finish quickly our container too. Here I'll not do much work. I have this lettering stencil which I'll place it on the container. And here I'll apply the modeling paste. You can even use texture paint. And our beautiful container is ready. Don't forget to apply the coat of varnish on the container and the lid so that your work will be protected. I am using my container to keep my all acrylic paints and tubes and this golden marker. So friends, our beautiful container is ready. No one can guess it was made from ice cream container. Isn't it beautiful? Please let me know in the comments below how you liked it, and if you make it, please tag me on Instagram at Creatively Made in Home. If you have enjoyed this video, please give me a like, thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, that means a lot to me. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.